This video is a kind of recap on everything that we've learned about secant and tangent angles or arcs, okay? So remember, once again, we got two scenarios for secant tangent angles or arcs. The key is when we identify secant tangents, is the vertex on or is the vertex out? Okay, so we're going to jump right in to these examples here. First thing I notice, I've got a tangent and a secant where the vertex is on. Now, this angle that they give us right here, I know that if I subtracted from 180, would give me 95, and that's going to be the angle on the other side of the given angle. Now, why is that important? Because in this problem, once again, we're missing that arc. So what do I know? I know for the property, it says that the angle is equal to half the arc. I'm going to call that arc x. All right, so we know that x is going to be equal to double 95 or 190 degrees. Okay, again, these are just some recap problems. You've already done this all. This is just to kind of give you a quick little recap before you do your own assignment. Okay, we have a secant tangent scenario with the vertex out. When the vertex is out, you're going to have a big arc. You're going to have a little arc. Now, they, in particular, want us to find that question mark there, which we're going to call x. What do I know? When the vertex is out, the angle is equal to half the arcs subtracted. And remember, you have to go big arc minus little arc. So I'm going to double the 65. That's going to give me 130 is equal to 205 minus x. I subtract 205 from 130. That gives me negative 75 is equal to negative x, or x is equal to 75. All right. There's a couple more examples where they bring in a little bit more with variables. Again, even though they've got more expressions, the key is where's the vertex? Vertex out gives me two arcs. I know the equation says the angle is equal to half the difference of the arcs. This would be the big arc is 173, and then I'm going to subtract 37x, and I would be subtracting negative 1, which would be plus 1. So remember, you're subtracting in that expression of the smaller arc both pieces. So simply change the signs. Okay, I'm going to double 25x, so that would be 50x is equal to 173 plus 1, that would be 174 minus 37x. All right, add 37x, so that gives me 87x is equal to 174. Divide by 87, I get x is equal to 2. And finally, one last example, I got vertex on for a secant tangent scenario. I know the angle is equal to half the arc. So the arc will be 31x plus 6. Just to highlight it there, remember that would be the arc that we have. Okay, I want to double 65, so 170 is equal to 31x plus 6. I'm going to subtract 6, so 164 is equal to 31x. And let's see here, 164 divided by 31. Ooh, I don't like that answer. So let's take a look. See if I made a mistake here or something. Let's see. The angle is equal to half the arc. Now we're good. Okay, what am I doing? If I double 65, I don't get 170. I get 130. Now when I subtract 6, I have 124. And 124 divided by 31 would give me 4. That makes a little bit more sense. Sorry about that error that I made. Hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions.